Hello, and welcome to the Astrolabe tutorial series. In this video, I will demonstrate the administrator tools available within our platform. There are two types of users currently in Astrolabe. Administrators are the people on your team who will create and define experiments. They will also determine which users are able to review the results of those experiments. Both administrators and users will be able to access data navigation tools and reports for the experiments they have permission to. Because we have other tutorials available for experiment setup, navigator, and report tools, let's focus on the user management tools for administrators within Astrolabe. I am currently logged into Astrolabe with my administrator account. When I click the menu button on the top right, I can see some valuable information here. To the left, I can see my plan details. Here I see that I have used 86 samples of the 500 I am licensed for. I can also see that my license expires on September 30th, 2019. If I had a pay-as-you-go license, I would see that reflected here as well. Back to the right, I have an option to manage users. When I click on this, I can see all the users that are in my domain, in this case Lewis and Sacagawea. If I would like to add an additional user, I can type their email address here. Let's add Clark. Next, I will change Clark's role to user. Currently we have one option here, but Astrolabe may add other types of user roles at a later date. Then I will click Create User. Within a few seconds, the user is created, and Clark will receive an email with login instructions. If I change my mind, I can delete Clark by clicking the Delete button. I won't do that now because I'm going to show you how to add Clark to my experiment. So next, I will navigate to the Experiments page and click on the experiment that I would like him to have permission to, in this case, Astrolabe Demo. Next, I will select the Users tab. As the administrator, I have a lot of control over who has access to my experiment. No one else in the organization, including other admins, will be able to see my experiment unless I grant them permission here. So, to add a new user, I will use this drop-down to select Clark, and then Give Access. From now on, whenever Clark logs into Astrolabe, he will be able to see this experiment on his Experiments page. If I change my mind, I can click the Remove Access button, and Clark will no longer be able to view this experiment. Please join me in other tutorials where I will discuss the powerful analysis tools within Astrolabe. If you have any questions, you can always contact us at support@astrolabediagnostics.com. Thank you.